Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make a spinach artichoke dip. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 1.5 cups of shredded mozzarella, a cup of sour cream, a half cup of grated Parmesan, a tablespoon of minced garlic, a half teaspoon salt, a quarter teaspoon pepper, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 8 ounces of spinach, and a 7-ounce jar of marinated artichoke hearts. We'll start by setting our stovetop to medium-high heat and wilting our spinach, stirring it as it wilts. This should take about 8 minutes. You may need to allow some of the spinach to wilt before adding more. When our spinach is wilted, we'll remove it from the heat and allow it to cool while we prepare the rest of our ingredients. Next, we'll preheat our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we'll drain our jar of artichoke hearts. Once we've drained our artichoke hearts, we'll roughly chop them and add them to a bowl. To those, we'll add half of our mozzarella cheese, our cup of sour cream, our half cup of Parmesan cheese, our tablespoon of garlic, a quarter teaspoon of pepper, a half teaspoon of salt, and our 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Once our spinach is cooled, we'll place it between 2 sheets of paper towels and squeeze out as much excess moisture as we can. This will prevent our dip from becoming soggy. Once we've wrung out our spinach, we'll add it to the bowl with the rest of our dip ingredients and stir them together until they're well combined. Next, we'll rinse out our skillet and liberally apply it or a 6-inch baking dish with cooking spray. We'll add our dip, smooth it out with a spatula, and then top it with the remaining half of our mozzarella cheese. Once we've assembled our spinach artichoke dip, we'll bake it on the top oven rack at 375 degrees for 18 minutes. After 18 minutes, we'll set our oven to broil and broil it on high for an additional 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we'll remove it from the oven and serve it with some tortilla chips or your other favorite dippables. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.